Robot vacuums have really come a very long ways in just a few short years, and two of the most advanced options available right now, in my opinion, are the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete and the Dreame X50 Ultra. What's interesting is that these two robots share a lot of DNA. Both are flagship models aimed at people who want a hands-off cleaning experience with powerful vacuuming, advanced mopping, intelligent navigation, and automated maintenance. But you start looking closer at the details, there are a few meaningful differences that can make one a better fit depending on your home. So today I'm putting the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete head to head against the Dreame X50 Ultra to see how they compare in mobility, cleaning performance, and just overall automation, because that's what the robots are supposed to do. Give us more time back. So do they do that? Let's start with mobility. One of the biggest features on both of these robots is their ability to handle taller obstacles, something that a lot of homes have. The Dreame X50 Ultra was one of the first robots to really push obstacle climbing beyond standard thresholds, and it performs well in homes with transitions between rooms. The MOVA V50 Ultra Complete takes a very similar approach with its StepMaster obstacle crossing system. Using bio-inspired wheels, that allows it to climb obstacles up to 6 centimeters in height. In real-world testing, both robots are very impressive, but I did find that the MOVA is slightly more confident, shall I say, when approaching taller thresholds or obstacles, and even like furniture obstacles. It tends to commit to the climb rather than backing away and trying an alternative route. Kind of like a confident warrior, if you will. For homes with multiple floor transitions, thick room dividers, or just challenging thresholds, I'd give a slight edge to the MOVA just because of their implementation of this obstacle climbing technology. Now, navigation is another area where both robots perform at a very high level. These are flagship models after all. Both use advanced AI-powered obstacle recognition and mapping systems that do a great job avoiding cords, shoes, random objects lying on the floor that I put there to test it out, everyday clutter. But where the MOVA really stands out is the FlexiRise lifting LDS system. The laser sensor can automatically lower when entering low clearance areas, allowing the robot's slim 89.5 body to fit under furniture and go where simply a lot of robot vacuums can't. The Dreame is excellent at mapping and obstacle recognition, but the MOVA's ability to clean further underneath beds, sofas, furniture pieces, and even cabinetry give it a practical advantage in certain homes where there are more obstacles or low-lying furniture. Now, moving on to cleaning performance. This is where things get very competitive. The MOVA V50 Ultra Complete is rated for up to 24,000 pascals of suction, while the Dreame X50 Ultra comes in just slightly lower on paper, at least. Of course, suction numbers don't really tell the whole story, but in heavy debris tests on hard floors and carpet, both robots performed extremely well, as should be expected considering this technology has been advancing for many years. But where the MOVA begins to really separate itself is around edges and corners and how effective it is. Its dual mechanical extension arms allow it to reach into areas that are traditionally difficult for robot vacuums to even reach, let alone clean. Combined with a strong suction, it leaves very little behind along baseboards and furniture edges and corners. The difference isn't really like super dramatic, but it is something that I picked up in my testing. Now, if you're bald, you can just skip on to the next section. No, just kidding. If you have pets or family members with longer hair or a lot of hair, this category is actually really important. Both robots are designed to reduce tangles, but MOVA includes a triple anti-tangle system that extends beyond the main brush. The main brush, side brush, and Omni wheel all incorporate anti-tangle technology. After multiple hair tests, both robots handled hair very well, but I did notice that the MOVA required less manual cleanup afterwards. Even if it didn't get tangled, I was having to tend to the Dreame just a little bit more, which is a huge advantage for anybody that have pets. Now, mopping is another area where, again, these two robots are very close. The MOVA uses a high-speed dual spinning mop system combined with downward pressure to maintain consistent contact with the floor. That means we're picking up more dirt, not just brushing it around. It also features a flexible mop design that helps maintain contact across uneven surfaces like tile. The Dreame remains one of the strongest mopping robots available today, and honestly, both do an excellent job with everyday dirt, footprints, dried on messes, even. So they're equally excellent. But what I did like about the MOVA is how complete the carpet transition system felt. The robot can automatically remove the mop pads, detect carpet ultrasonic, and lift multiple cleaning components through its clean lift triple lift system. That creates a seamless transition between hard floors and carpet or rugs without requiring much user intervention at all. It really is intelligent in detecting those floor surfaces. So for many people, this is the category that really truly matters most, because both systems automate dust collection, mop cleaning, drying, and just day-to-day maintenance of the machine. The MOVA, though, does introduce a few features that make it stand out just a little bit more. One is the DuoSolution system with two separate cleaning solution tanks. You get a standard daily cleaning solution and a dedicated pet deodorizing solution designed to help neutralize pet-related odors. It's a thoughtful feature that feels genuinely useful rather than just another specification on a product sheet. Like, I actually love the fact that I've got those two options. The second advantage is the 80 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing system. Combined with the integrated spray cleaning base and drying system, it does an excellent job keeping the mop pads clean between runs. I mean, that's important. You don't want to go out and mop, have dirty mop pads, and then mop another room. After spending time with both of these robots, it's clear to me that these are two of the best robot vacuum and mop combinations currently available on the market. So the Dreame X50 Ultra continues to be an outstanding performer with excellent navigation, strong vacuuming, and a very mature software app experience. But the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete introduces a few meaningful improvements that add up over time, in my opinion. The obstacle climbing performance is very good. The low profile navigation system reaches places that many of my robot vacuum cleaners just couldn't. The anti-tangle system definitely required less maintenance on my part, and the dual cleaning solution tanks are really useful for pet owners specifically. And the overall cleaning package feels incredibly polished. Neither choice is a bad one, but if I were choosing between the two today, I'd really give a slight edge to the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete, not just because they're one of my favorite brands, but because of my daily experience and use of these, because I've made many videos on both robots, and that's been my experience. So if you'd like to learn more, and check out the links in the description, and definitely take advantage of the current promotions that are running right now. In fact, at the time of publishing this video right here, Prime Day prices are extremely low and offer a massive value for your money. So definitely do not let those deals pass you by. Go click those links now and check out how low the price currently is, because these limited time bundles and savings make the MOVA V50 Ultra Complete an even stronger value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.